Don't ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. Never do that. Because if you tamper with the fire alarms in public buildings, you can get into trouble, so don't ever do it. And if you see ones like this, don't go up to it and take this off. Never do that. You tampered with the fire alarm equipment. Don't change the candela. If the candela is set on 15, don't put it higher. Just leave it alone. Leave it where it's at. And don't change the tones. Like, if it's set on code 3 horn low volume, leave it there. Don't switch to high volume horn code 3 or low volume continuous horn or high volume continuous horn. Just leave it where it's at. So yeah, please do not mess with these. Don't take this out. Yeah, don't take this thing apart. Just leave it on the wall. And don't, take this thing off if I can get it. There we go, got it? Yeah, never take that thing off either. Never take this off. Like, let's say if it's your own fire alarm, you can tamper with your fire alarm. Like, I just tampered with my fire alarm, but don't do that in the public building, because they are not toys. If you have these in your own house, then they are toys. So if you have these in your own house, you can take it off the take it off the wall, change the candela or the tone in your own house, or take this logo off. You can do that in your house, but not in the public building, because fire alarms in a public building are only to save people's lives from a fire. Don't touch it. And don't, get, a screwdriver and just tap on it. That won't set it off, but you will get in trouble if you do that. So never tamper with fire alarms. Ever. Don't pull the strobe off. Don't disable the horn or the strobe. Don't disable the alarm. Don't do any of that. And don't scratch off the fire lettering. And don't paint the alarm. Don't draw on it. Don't color on it. And don't I don't know what to say, but never tamper with fire alarms, ever. And don't put an object on it. Don't do any of that. If you break the alarm, you can get in trouble if you break it. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching.